Today, inshallah, the first airplane. Tomorrow, inshallah, will be coming the second airplane. Monday will be also lunch. Another, about more than 100 truck to inshallah in some area.
Okay.
Through NDMA.
I'm grateful to the Saudi government and the King Salman, Prince Mohammed bin Salman, on behalf of the Pakistani government and the people of the Pakistan for their constant support in these difficult times. And Saudi Arab always proved in all testing times, Saudi Arab is a brotherly country and they always provide that kind of support with Pakistani people. So I think this is the start of the support. And the most importantly, the Saudi government has committed to support in the rehabilitation, the reconstruction of the affected areas.
Critical situation and difficult situation, Saudi Arabia always, will be stand with Pakistan. We remember 2005 in the earthquake. We remember in 2010 in the flooding, and this time 2022. And we proud as the Muslim country and as the leader of the Ummah, we support my brother Pakistan.